In today's video, we are going to show you how to track your order on Kakobuy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head over to the Kakobuy website and make sure you are logged into your account. If you do, I want you to click the profile icon on the top right corner, and of course, you need to click the order. This will open your order details. Now, inside of the order details, you would be able to see the tracking number along with a link or button to track your package. You just have to click to view the shipping progress. That's one way. Another option that you can do is simply In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a Kakobuy coupon so you can save money on your next purchase. This is super easy, so let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Now, if you hover to the profile icon, you see that you can access your specific order. Once you've done that, you see that there is an option here that says pay. I want you to click on it and you will be forwarded to the checkout counter. These are going to be all your payment options. But since we are going to use a coupon, what we need to do is click the recharge because this will forward you to a new page. Now, you don't have to enter any amount yet. I want you to click the X button. Instead, we need to click the coupon tab. And as you may notice, you have all these coupons readily available to you. You have, like, for example, $45.9 off, $30.6 off, and all I have to do is very simple. Click the use now, and that coupon will be added to your purchase. It's very simple, and of course, from here, just click the pay button and proceed to the checkout section and follow the on-screen instructions. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.